on the board? What is drawn on the board? Flower pot. Okay. Flowers, flower pot, table and mouse. Okay. Can you tell me where are the flowers? Yes. She said flower pots. Flowers are in the pot. Flowers are in the pot. Can you tell me where is the pot? Correct. Pot is on the table. The pot is touching to the table. Yes or no? So the pot is on the table. Can you tell me where is the rat? Correct. Rat is under the table. Rat is under the table. Once again, where are the flowers? In the flower pot. Where is the pot? On the table. And where is the mouse? Under the table. So do you think mouse is hiding with you people? Mouse is hiding with you people? Yes. Okay. Okay. Let us do now. Fine. We are going to also play something. Okay. First thing I would like to show you this. You know what is this? This is a dictionary. Dictionary, if suppose I don't know the meaning of some word, so what should I do? I will find in this I'll get the meaning. So this is called dictionary. There are so many words. Small words. Okay, so this is called dictionary. So we are going to play one thing. Yes, the dictionary should be there at home. Okay, cross your leg please. Anya, please come here. Let us see what instruction I am giving to Anya. What instruction I am giving to Anya, whether Anya is able to follow or not. Anya, please keep this dictionary on the yellow table. Now say the sentence. Dictionary is on the table. At least clappings. Come on, you bring the dictionary back. Thank you. Okay, now Arush chance. Arush come. Arush come. What is this, Arush? Okay, Arush is saying this is tape. We can say sellotape also. Keep this sellotape. Listen, Arav, listen. Keep this sellotape in the blue box. In the blue box. Say the sentence now. Sellotape is in the blue box. Clap for Arush. Very good. Duster. So I want you to keep this duster under the red table. Will you please sit? Thank you so much. Let them come. Now say the sentence. Duster. Clap for Arav. Very nice. Clapping for Come. Thank you, sir. Fairy, what is this called? Top. Come. Where you will like to keep the top? Huh? Okay. Keep this top on the green chair. On the green chair. Chair. Yes. Clap for Fairy. Now Fairy say sentence. Top. In the chair or on the chair? Yes, correct. Bring that top. Okay. Do you know what is this? Keychain. Come, Ekash. Ekash, where would you like to keep this keychain? On the yellow chair? Okay. Let us see where he is keeping. correct? He said that he want to keep on the yellow chair. Is correct? He has kept on the yellow chair. Clap for him. You bring the keychain back. Thank you. What is this? Marker pen. Come, Ashwin. Ashwin, you have to use under. Under. Where would you like to keep this? Go. Say the sentence. Marker. Clap for her. Come. Okay. Now, what is this called? It is called as a pole. Pole. I will give you the instruction. You keep it. Keep this pole on the red table. Okay, come back. Keep that pole there only. Keep this key. Come. Keep this keychain in the pole. Correct. Now keep that pole under the table. Clap for Dhruvan. Very good, Dhruvan. Bring. Bring that. Good. We will. Now, what is this? Scissor. Take the scissor. Where would you like to keep it?
On the green table.
Okay, he said when he was here, he said that he want to keep. He said where he want to keep. Where he has kept. Under. So you said that you want to keep on the table. On the table. Yes. Now he is correct. Clap. Come. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. What is this? Glue. Which? Can you tell me the name of this glue? Fevicol. Okay. Where would you like to keep it? Under the red table. Okay. Now come back. Now listen. Where is under written here? Just touch under. Touch under. Very good. Clap for her. Very good. Go and bring it. Special clap. Okay. Thank you. What is this? Pencil. Where would you like to keep it? Let him think. Where you would like to keep it? Under the red table. Okay, go. See, listen. Where he is keeping, just see. Where he is keeping. Okay, you said under the red table. And where you are keeping? Let him speak. Where you are keeping? On. So what you said, where you want to keep? Under. So keep under. Yes, now he is correct?
Yes.
Come, pass. What is this? Sketch pen. Come. Now I want you to keep this sketch pen on your head. On your head. Keep sketch pen on your head. You don't have head? Head you don't have? And keep sketch pen on your head. You don't want to keep it? I'll give to Ali. You sit, Adish. I'll give you something. Keep this sketch pen. He's correct? He's keeping sketch pen on head. Yes or no? I want you to keep the sketch pen in your pocket. Yes. Clap for Aryan. Thank you. Okay, Arush. He is not getting space, so you can give it. Thank you so much. Go. Let us see. He is keeping in the rack. Let us see. Where is the rack? Oh, correct. Clap for him. Very good. Bring the back. Bring back. Now your chance. Come. What is this? Box. Where would you like to keep it? Go. Aryan, sit there. Place is there. You said, she said where she want to keep Arav. Arav, where she want to keep? Under the chair. She want to keep under the chair. But where did she keep? Under the table. So where you should keep? Under the hand. So bring that box back. Something must be there. Keep it under the chair. Correct. Bring. Now Diya, your chance. अभी बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटी होने वाली है. पता है क्या? Wait. Your chance, no? What should I give you? What do you want to take? Book. Okay, take this one. Okay. Please sit at your proper place. Thank you so much. Okay, where would you like to keep it? Okay, go and. Now we are going to play one more game. Let us see. Yes, correct. Clap for her. Great. Now, thank you. And he is going to hide this duster. But nobody will say it. Everybody will look in my eyes. Okay?
Very good, Toes.
Now you have to find out the duster and we are going to count. Within 10 counting you have to find out. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop. So within 9 counting it. Now where was the duster?
On the table. Under the table.
Correct. Under the table. Come Basa, come. Everybody will get chance. Come Basa, you sit. Now you come.
अरे देखना मेरा तो भूल गया. आवाज कर.
Do it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tie fish. Okay. Wait, do it. Dhruvan, sit down. Do it. Join. Say where it is. Don't just stand and say. Stand and say. Don't go there. Do it. Don't go. No, sorry. Do it. Do it. Same sentence. Duster is. Look here. Turn this side. Stand here. Now say.
Duster is box.
In the